In this video, we're going to make powdered laundry detergent. These here are borax. I don't always use this one. We'll use today will be a 4-pound box of borax. We will use a 4-pound box of baking soda. We will use this laundry booster. We'll use one of those, and I'll use one Awesome Oxygen base cleaner. I will use these booster crystals. In the recipe, I will use 2 bars of Zote soap and 1 box of the super washing soda. And this is a 3-pound bag. Included in that, I'm going to use 1 to 2 cups of the Ariel powder. Now this was made yesterday, and between that container and the container I have in my shelf, like I said, it yielded about 16 to 17 pounds of powder. I like making this. It smells wonderful. And this is the Zote soap that has been cut up. Here's 2 bars. The only thing I need to do now is I will put this soap in my blender. Put a little powder in to incorporate it so it doesn't stick really bad to the blender. And no, it doesn't hurt my blender. So with all this being said, I am in my laundry room, and this is where I'm going to mix everything up. Then we will film as we go. So we'll be right back. At this time, I'm going to add a little superwashing soda into my blender, so the powder will mix up a little better. We will end up using the entire box. Now this is to show you what we have. This absolutely smells wonderful. It takes just a little bit of time and effort to do this, but this is the best way to get it mixed up, because you really need it to be as fine as you can get it. So what I do is, if it's too much, I will you can see it's very fine. This is actually the longest part of making your powder detergent. It's probably not necessary to blend it up this fine, but I think I probably go a little bit beyond what I need. So now, this is our 2 bars of Zote soap. I guess I could have went ahead and poured it in here, but you're going to pour this into your bucket. I just leave it in a bowl in case I have to blend it more. After that, you are actually going to pour in 1 3-pound box of super washing soda. We are going to put in 1 box of a 4-pound borax. You can see the dust flies. Let's get dusty. To that, we are going to add a 4-pound box of baking soda. We will use 2 bottles of the fragrance booster. I've been doing this about 3 years. I love making the detergent. I only have these extras out because I will probably make a 3rd batch. We now will include 1 container of the Awesome Laundry Booster. We can just incorporate these all together, and then you have a terrific amount of powdered detergent. Right now, this is what we have. I will add 1 container of this Awesome Oxygen Base Cleaner. Okay, at this time, this is all you need to make your powder detergent. There's our detergent. Here are the other products. Ready, there's enough here to make 4 batches of the powder. That's all there is to it. Maybe this might help someone to go out and make some detergent. The only thing I haven't done yet is I will put 2 cups of this detergent in with the mix, and then I'll save the rest for other things. So thanks for watching. Be blessed, be safe, and Jesus loves you. There was 1 cup there, and this is my 2nd cup. So I will mix all of that up, put it in my containers. Most of it will be stored in this tub. Thanks for watching. This is Doghouse. Was able to finagle all of that in there. Okay, we're going to do a wash, predominantly towels. So we will take our scooper, and we're not taking it to the fill line. With this detergent, it doesn't take a lot. Just enough to mix it. Then I put it in my wash. I don't have a problem with putting this detergent in my high efficiency washing machine. I mix it with water, that way I don't have any powder coming out on my clothes at the end of the wash where maybe it didn't get mixed up. And with that, we'll let these clothes start washing. We have had a success here. Have a blessed day.